This is Kevin from English4exams.com, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at some business idioms. Okay, we've got 10 on this list and there are lots more which are really important, but we're going to look at 10 today. And the first one we're going to look at is 24/7. Alright, so what does this mean? It means it's open, or something is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Alright, an example is our customer support centre is available 24/7. So you could ring them on a Monday, you could ring them on a Saturday, it doesn't matter what time, they're always going to answer your call. Alright, the second one we've got is ASAP. Okay, it's an acronym, ASAP. So what does this mean? It stands for as soon as possible. Okay, so an example would be, yes, I will get that report to you ASAP, which would mean, yeah, as soon as possible, as soon as I'm available or I'm able to do that for you. Okay, the next one is at stake. Okay, so at stake would mean, you know, you're risking something. You have something to gamble. So you could say, we have a lot at stake with this deal. You know, we're risking a lot. Maybe, you know, it's money, resources, you know, people. So yeah, you know, at stake. We've got a lot at stake in getting this deal done. Okay, the next one on our list is back to square one. So what does this mean? It means to go back to the planning stage, to the original, you know, where you're looking at what you want to do. You need to change something because something didn't go as planned. So you need to go back to the beginning, back to square one. For example, with this deal, we need to go back to square one because, you know, the client is not able to fulfill what we wanted him to do. So we need to go back to square one, relook at things and change it. The next one on our list is ballpark figure. So what this is an inexact number. It's an estimate. You know, so you could say the World Cup in Russia this year, you know, must have cost around, you know, I'll give you a ballpark figure, around 3 million. I've got no idea how much it costs. It's just an example I thought of. I'm sure the comments below, you know, will let me know. But yeah, a ballpark figure is a rough estimate. The next one is behind someone's back. So what does this mean? It means to do something without them knowing. So if you imagine you're behind their back, they can't see you, they don't know what's going on. So you're doing something without them acknowledging it. Next up on the list, we've got cut corners. So what this means is to find an easier or cheaper way of doing something. So for example, with our luxury products, we never cut corners. Next up on the list, we've got no-brainer. So what this means is that it's a really obvious decision. For example, it's a no-brainer that you'd like, subscribe and put on the notifications to this channel so that you can further improve your English. Up next, we've got on a roll. So what this means is that you've been doing really, really well. You know, you've got a track record of being really successful. You're continuing to progress, so you're on a roll. So you imagine the ball of success keeps going and going. So it would mean you're on a roll. So an example, you know, if you're working with customers on the phone and you know you've had lots of success today, you could say, oh, I'm on a roll today, I've got 4 new clients. And the last one for today is call it a day. So this means that you've decided to finish something. So for example, it's time for us to call it a day today. Okay, we'll finish this lesson. If you stick around, I'll put in some questions on the next page, and what I'd like you to do is to write in your answers in the comments below. I'll also put in the correct answers into the description so you'll be able to check them. And yeah, please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.